Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, open calendar. Now you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title. Click on this blue button over here. And now select starting hour, ending one. So sorry, I accidentally changed the date over here, so I have to fix it real quick. Okay, you can also set up ending one or turn off this feature completely by tapping on all day. Then scroll down, click on location, and you can input address here or select map. Tap on while using the app or only this time and search your address over here. When you're ready, click on done. Now you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days at 10 and go back. Then take notes and even over here change color. When you're ready, just save over here, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it and then tapping on it over here. Now you can make your changes and just save to save them. You can also delete your alarm by tapping on it over here, but this time clicking on this pin icon and choosing delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!